5, 4, 3,
Would you like to sit in Apollo 11 and virtually fly to the moon?
0, ignition, liftoff, liftoff, 30 minutes.
Start with XR Easy Viewer into a new virtual world. Experience your own 3D models in life size. Test models are available in the app. Meet your reality in a few clicks in VR. Explore your 3D model by either moving around yourself with the teleport function or by moving the model itself with Move All. Various functions allow you to explore your 3D models. XR Easy Viewer requires no login, no PC, no cloud. Just install the app. In order to import your own 3D models from your computer, place a copy of your model in the 3D Models folder on your headset in an OBJ, GLTF, or GLB format. Experience all kinds of models, from vehicles to interior design to architecture, as if they were real.